Welcome to Unboxing Solutions, where we unwrap more than packages, we unwrap possibility. Every tool you see is chosen with care, purpose, and real-life use in mind. If what you create deserves to be opened, explored, and put to work, this is that space. Gospel Foundation International Healing Ministries is a Bible-based ministry. Through worship, prayer, and deliverance, we help individuals find restoration. We equip believers to build stronger families and healthier communities. Footprints of Faith Radio shares real stories of healing and hope. Bible Talk for Children helps kids develop strong moral foundations. Apply for sponsored digital advancement support for growing your reach. Your support makes this possible. We're aiming for a $500 monthly goal. Support, partner, or give today at gfihministries.org/give. It's a place that's real.
Hello, I'm still here. Awesome. So, this is Unbox Solutions with me. I'm Coach Raquel. Thank you for staying with me so far. And thank you for joining me for this segment. And today we have a few things that we're unboxing. And over here we unbox solutions, things that bring us solutions in our daily lives. We don't just shop to spend. No, we invest. And everything you see me unbox on this show, that's me investing in myself, my lifestyle, my comfort, my self-love, my flow of life, my joy in life. That's the purpose, right? It's not just because I want to show you something. No, it's about finding solutions, sourcing solutions consistently for myself and for those I serve and for those I care for. Yeah, awesome. So let's get into today's unboxing. All right, I don't want it to be too high. Let's go. Right, and all of these items I got on Amazon. So let's go. Yeah. So that's me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packages. All right. What are we unpacking here? First, remember, always remove your personal information. Get rid of it. I did it like that because there's a tape on it that makes it very hard for you to pull it apart. So I usually just do that. Yeah, and then I take it away and I shred it. All right, so 2 packages came in this one. This first one is the ink for my printer. Right, that's a multicolored ink, right? Ink set. And there are 2 of them in the black and the color, right? Yes, so that's the second. And this now is my vinyl synthetic gloves for cooking. This is for cooking. So, yeah. And if you go to my food channel, you'll see me use them there. Now, this one is remove personal information. Again, always do that. Yes. Always remove them. All right. This one looks like the headset I'm wearing. Yes, that's the headset. Here we go. It's very warm. Fits very nicely. I love it. It's very comfortable, very clear. It's noise canceling. I love it. I'm wearing it right now. I love it. And the link is scrolling at the bottom you can go to my amazon.com/shop/UME radio. You get the link to all the things that I share. I want to share the ones that worked and served as a solution for me. Yes, that's my headset. I'm wearing it right now. Yeah. Yes. All right. Next package. Next package. What's this one? Let's see. Right. Is that the dress? No, that okay, that's a new backdrop that I purchased for a new show that I'm going to be a part of. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to share it with you. It's actually a sales podcast that I'm going to be co-hosting, and this is the new backdrop. So that will be my backdrop for that show. Yes. I really, really like it. It's like it's showing the lights of New York and as it falls on the ocean. It's really, really pretty, really beautiful. And it's not expensive either. Let's keep going. All right. Next package. See, always protect your information, remove your information, your personal information. Right, now this is a dress that I bought. Yeah, really, really nice house dress and some underwear, some undies. Oh no, this is a top. Oh, that's not, the undies are coming in. I did get some knickers. Yeah, so that's the label. And so this is a top that I purchased, and I want this top to be the first thing I wear when I start that show that I just talked to you about. Yeah, so this is a house dress. Very, very comfortable. I haven't worn it yet, but I love the texture. It's very soft. It's a very, yeah, the material is very soft. So I like it, very warm. And what I like about this dress is the material anyway, because I haven't worn it yet, but what I love that it's spacey. I intentionally bought it that way. I wanted it roomy, you know what I mean, and airy. But the material is soft, but not hot. It's good. I love the material for the tropical environment because that's where I live, you know. So, yeah. What's next? What's next? What's next? Let's go to the next package. Let's go. Yes. Now the next one, remove the personal information. Always do that. There we go. Get rid of that. Yeah. Now. Oh, this package has a couple of things in it. A couple of things. And let's see. So the first thing, okay, I have to take that away. Put that away. Yes, so let's go. This now is the knickers or panties or whatever you call it, undies, whatever. I got me some black ones. You know, when I bought this, I actually thought it was more of like a big roomy thing because that's what I like. But I realized these are more fitted, so I'm going to be wearing these for when I'm. Anyway, these are black for special occasions. But I'm going to be getting. I like to have some house undies that I wear that are definitely almost like shorts. Yeah. And this is a workout bodysuit. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting to work out in a bodysuit, and now I finally have one, and I haven't worn it yet, but I plan to soon in my workout videos at kellysfitnessadventures.com. So here we are. That's my very, very first bodysuit that I've ever owned. And I'm looking forward to wearing it. Yes, and then I purchased myself a set of an extension with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think it's 8. It has 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, and then it has the USBs and whatever, and yeah, the USB-C and all of those. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, I'm actually using it right now. I'm using that right now. It's on my floor in front of me, and I love it. I love that plug. That plug. So this has been, oh my word, this has been our episode of Unbox Solutions with me for today. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for being here. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for caring. And may you find the solutions you seek for your life to be full of joy, and for your life to be resilient, and for you to be in an environment where you can thrive. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself. Don't be afraid to invest in your joy. There was a time in my life about over 5 years ago when I had it was a very tough thing for me to invest in myself. Even buying groceries was a challenge, but I would invest my money, my hard-earned money. It was easy for me to just give it away to people, or if someone needs help, oh my gosh, let me help them, busy trying to. And to be honest with you, I wasn't even trying to be the savior for anybody. It's just that I was treating my trauma. I was trauma led. I suffered, so I didn't want you to suffer. And so that was the mindset I had. And thank God for the people who said no, because their no led me to learning myself better, learning how to steward over my resources better. And now I really understand. God had to take me through a process of, girl, I blessed you for you. Can we talk about that? I had to go through a process where God said, I blessed you for you. I'm telling you, I'll never forget the first time I purchased my treadmill. I purchased my treadmill. It was when I heard the voice of God so loudly. I gave you this money for you, not for anybody else. And it took me some more time to learn and think and realize that when it's for somebody else, God tells me that too. So I don't have to just have this automatic thing where I think, oh, my goodwill is just for somebody else. No, my goodwill begins with me. And then when as I overflow, other people will be blessed by being invested and interested in me. Because if you're not invested and interested, chances are you will not benefit from my overflow, right? And vice versa. If I'm not invested and interested in you, I won't benefit from your overflow. So that's what I was talking about earlier when I opened the show. I was saying, we have to build ecosystems around ourselves, resource centers, an environment that we can thrive in. So my unboxing is a part of that. All of these things I invest in that I share with you is a part of me ensuring that I have what I need, and I'm building an environment and ecosystem around myself where I will thrive. And God had to show me that I had to start with me. So remember to start with you. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for commenting, and thank you for sharing.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Raquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there. New York, November 2025. No narration, just sounds. This docuseries captures fragments of my time in New York. What I noticed, where I paused, what stayed with me, unfiltered, unrushed. Presence over performance. Premiering exclusively on YouTube at My Coach Ministry.
I love to open new packages. There will be the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Raquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I'm so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.